Welcome to Bilal Creative Studio, guys. So this time around, I want to show you how to create a presentation slide with generative AI. So I'll open my browser, which is my Chrome browser. I'll open that and I'll come to Gamma AI. Gamma AI is what I want to use to do that. So I'll come to Gamma AI, create a slide on production of audio media. So let's see how that goes for us. So I want to try it for free, of course. Let me try it for free and let's see how effective this tool will be for us. So I'm going to continue with Google. Yes, I'm going to continue with Google right now, and I'm going to use my billardcreativestudio@gmail.com account to continue. And right here, I'm going to be able to use Gamma to create presentation slides in few minutes. Let's see how that goes for us. So I'm going to continue right now. And here it is. So what you want to generate, how do you plan to use Gamma? Is it for personal use or for work? You could say personal use. So let's continue right now. What kind of work do you do? So let's say order. Okay, design. Let's say design, yes. And create presentation from scratch, turn my notes into presentation, enhance existing PowerPoint or PDF, build a website, create social media assets, generate images with AI. So you could do all this, but what I want to use it for is to select all that applies. So I want to create presentation from scratch, or you want to, if you want to build a website as well, you can use to build a website, you can use to generate images and all that, create social media assets. So let's continue right now and see what we're going to do. How did you hear about us? Let's say order and done. So this is Gamma AI for you. So what we want to do now is we want to generate. We are not pasting, we are not importing file URL. So let's generate right now. So let's see what we can generate with Gamma AI. So let's do the generation. So I want to generate a presentation. Is either you generate a presentation, web page, or document, or social media. So right now you're going to choose, let's say we want to generate for 10 cards, and let's say yes, we want to use the default, the English, and it should be UK English, and describe what you would like to make. So let's describe what we would like to make. I want to create a presentation slide about production of audio media. So I'm going to generate my outline. So let's see how that goes. So we're going to be able to generate outlines right here, and that's how you can create a presentation slide. So we have the introduction of audio media production. So let's see how it goes. So it says it starts from the definition of audio media production, pre-production phase, the recording equipment, the recording techniques, the editing process, the mixing fundamentals, the sound design and effects, the post-production, the distribution channel, and the conclusion and future trend. So we have all these 10 cards. You could delete any card you don't want, actually. You could delete them, but let's leave it. We are not deleting them. So we're going to choose our theme. What theme do we want to use for this? I could use a dark theme, which is the indigo. I'm going to use the indigo right now, and you could view more. So the content, make the contents brief, medium, make it detailed. So I want to make the contents detailed, and yeah, we're going to have image source. So we want to create AI images for that, and you can use any of these image model, either Flosfax or image gen 3. So you could use any of these, playground 2.5, you could use any of these. So let's use this right now and let's generate our slide. So I'm going to generate the slide right now, and let's see how this comes to play. So it's as easy as that. You creating a presentation slide for yourself in matter of minutes is as easy as that, and that's what I just did. So let's see what comes up. So here we have the slides. The slides are being created, and we have a very good slide right here. As you could see, this is a very good slide. So we could go on and on to see how this goes. So let's see how it's going to create this slide for us. So it's created the first page, created the second slide, created the third slide, and it's creating the fourth slide right now. And we are going to wait for order to get created. So that's the fourth slide. It's created the fifth slide, and it's created the sixth slide. So it's going to create 10 cards for us, and we're going to be able to use this. We're going to be able to use it to present what this topic is all about. So we have all this right now. We have all this, and let's wait for it to generate the 10 slides. So it's made the whole presentation slide for us. It says you made your first Gamma. It's easy to customize, edit, and share your Gamma. So you could click on show me to be directed. Gamma uses cards to contain your content. Cards are similar to slides, pages, or session, but with zero limitation, they can grow or shrink to fit your contents. Yes, so you could just do every of this. Every card is made up of editable blocks. Blocks can be anything from text to images to diagram. So we could have this. So let's go. So you could start to edit right now. So you could say add a card or drag to the other card. So let's see what the presentation slide is right now. But me, I'll be able to create a presentation slide and I could just see how we could go from here. So you could see how to add card. Any other thing you needed to know, you could check it here and you see how to go about it. So you could add orders and you could change theme. You could do all that as well. You could edit, you could try to present, and you could share and export, which is very, very important. So we are going to share and export this right now as a PPT file. So we're going to have something like that. So let me just click on share, and having to click on share, I want to share, I want to export. So I'll come to export. You could export it as a PDF file. So you could choose to export as a PDF file or a PowerPoint file. So we're going to do both and we're going to see what it looks like on a presentation slide. So we just exported for PDF and we just exported for PowerPoint. So let's see how that goes. So this is the PowerPoint. Let me come to my download. This is the one for PDF. So let's see what we have. So this is the PDF and here we are. So we have this right now. It says the art of science and you have all this right now for the PDF. But you could choose to edit. Since I have some limitations, for instance, I don't want this to be, yes, I can delete this. If I don't want that, I can delete this. So I could say delete this. So you could just check this out. You could delete that right now. So I'm going to delete that right now and let's see how that goes. So since I have those deleted, every other part I don't want, I can have it deleted that way. And right now we are going to have these conclusion and future trends, key production, and these things. Yes, so we could delete this average UK salary as well. I don't want that. So we have all this. So far so good. So we could just come right here to delete what we've downloaded before. So let me just delete it. Let me have that deleted and let me start all over again. So let me try to share again and let me download as PDF and PowerPoint. So I'm going to download as both and we're going to have that. So we're going to download that as PDF as well, and that is being downloaded, and I'm going to download as PowerPoint as well. So let's check what we have so far. So I'll come to my downloads and see what I just downloaded. So let's see how this goes. So I'm going to come right here and I'll click here to download it. Yes. And the second one, I'll click here to download it as well. So we're going to have both downloaded, and this is the PowerPoint slide and we have the PDF as well. And let's see what we have right here. So I'm going to open this PowerPoint slide, the PPT slide, and let's see what we've done so far. So this is the slide in PowerPoint, and we could edit whatever we don't want. So you could say enable editing, and we could edit whatever we don't want. So I could say okay, and let me start to edit right now. So you have all your blocks. You could actually use all your blocks right now, and you could come right here. You could see this and this. You have a full PPT file where you can actually use it to present this particular topic, and here we are. So we could just take out the made with gamma and everything. If you want to take that out, what you have to do is to block it with a shape. So let me insert a shape right now. I'm going to insert a shape to block that right now. So let's insert something like this. Let me insert something like this, and I'm going to insert it here right now. And that is it. So all I have to do is to change the color. So I could change the color. All I have to do is to come right here to change the shape fill, and I could use the eyedropper to pick the color onto chain to, and I just change it to that. Then we have all this. So the shape outline, let's make sure no outline, and let's see what we have. So you could see that has been covered up, and it's as easy as that. So I could proceed to see every other part of this, and you could just cover up every other part of it. That's how to create a presentation slide with gamma. I hope to see you in our next video. If you've not subscribed to our channel just yet, do remember to subscribe, like, comment. What would you love to see on this channel again? I hope to see you in another video. See you there.